So hello everyone, in this class we are seeing for class 10 CBSE syllabus exercise 1.3 chapter real numbers, and this is from Gomathi Maths and English channel. Prove that root 5 is an irrational number. This we prove by contradiction, that is we are taking it as a rational number. Our assumption is wrong அப்படின்னு கொண்டு வந்து the decision வந்து wrong அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு root 5 is an irrational number அப்படின்னு சொல்லி க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிடுவோம். Except 1, no other common factor except 1, only 1 is the common factor. So such numbers are known as co-prime numbers. Such pairs are known as co-prime numbers. For example, 2, 7 is co-prime pair. Since 2 equal to 2 into 1, 7 equal to 7 into 1, 1 is the common factor, no other common factor. And another example, 99, 100 co-prime pair, because 99 equal to 11 into 3 into 3 and 100 equal to 5 into 5 into 2 into 2. No common factor for this. There may be only 1 is the common factor. There is only one, the number 1 is the common factor. Therefore, this pair co-prime. So we are taking root 5, assume here, assume root 5 as a rational number. We are assuming it is a rational number. So immediately we can write in the form P by Q, where Q not equal to 0, because any rational number can be written in the form P by Q. For instance, 3 is the rational number, this can be written as 3 by 1. 0.5 is the rational number, this can be written as 5 by 10, etc. So a rational number can be written in the form P by Q, provided the condition is P, Q co-prime. இது வந்து co-prime pair. So co-prime na என்னன்னு சொல்லிட்டோம், only 1 is the common factor. Now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. So root 5 squared equal to P squared by Q squared. So 5 equal to P squared by Q squared. So which implies 5Q squared equal to P squared, or Q squared equal to P squared by 5. So which implies P is divisible by 5. P squared is divisible by 5 means P is divisible by 5, which implies 5 is the factor of P. Mark it as 1. Now consider this. Since P is divisible by 5, we can write this as P equal to 5K. P equal to 5, because it is divisible by 5 means P equal to 5 times of some constant. Now substitute this value, or P squared equal to 25K squared. Substitute here. So 5Q squared equal to, instead of P squared you write 25K squared. So Q squared equal to 5K squared, or Q squared by 5 equal to K squared, which implies Q is divisible by 5. Q squared by 5, Q squared is divisible by 5, or Q is divisible by 5, which implies 5 is the factor of Q. Mark it as 2. So from 1 and 2, 5 is the common factor of P and Q. But this is contradiction. This is contradiction for our assumption. Since P, Q, the pair is co-prime, only 1 is the common factor. So 5 is not 5 is a common factor, not possible. This is not possible as per our assumption. Here you write 5 is the common factor, is not possible. So which implies our assumption is wrong. Which implies root 5 is the irrational number. Link given in the description box that you can use.